What is going on, everyone? It is Andrew here from AppleInsider. I love using wireless charging on my iPhone, and I've been looking around a lot for a solid wireless charger that I can take with me on the go. And as a huge fan of the other Nomad products that we've reviewed, I instantly had to try out their new wireless charging stand that is perfect for travel. Unlike most other wireless chargers we've seen, it works not only flat, but standing as well, giving you a couple different options. The charging stand also packs up into a nice flat package, so you can throw it in your gear bag on the way out the door. Even better, it supports the fastest 7.5 watts wireless charging that the iPhones can accept, both the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and the iPhone 10. Nomad also shuns the round footprint that we see with a lot of pad chargers out there. Mophie, Belkin, they all have like the same design, just round, and it's a little bit boring. Nomad opted to go a different way, with a really nice leather top, solid base, and aluminum stand. Inside the box, you're going to find the rectangular charging pad itself, as well as a power cable. Now, a couple things about that power cable. It is actually one of the more irksome things about this charger, one of the few things that actually bothers me, and it's because it's a proprietary cable. It's not just a standard off-the-shelf USB or even a custom-designed USB one. It uses a barrel connector, which this can make it a little bit harder to replace if you ever needed to do so. Plus, it is a little bit on the large side. Once connected though, you are good to go. It is a rather small cable, so it does have a low profile, which doesn't really get in the way. On the back, you're going to find this aluminum plate that kind of is tucked in here. That's really handy because whether you want it in a stand or lying down flat, you have that option. I just love how it tucks away on the back, so if you don't need it, it's there, but if you do want to pull it out, you can. And it just really depends on the circumstance which one you want. On my desk, I kind of prefer to be lying flat just because I'm up a little bit higher. But when I'm in my bed, I prefer it on a stand so I can actually see the phone from being in the bed. Especially with Face ID, it becomes kind of necessary to actually have your phone facing you to be able to unlock it without using your annoyingly long passphrase. The foot of that actual metal plate, both on the back where it reaches the table and under your phone, both have little silicone pads, so it keeps it from your phone and the stand itself moving around too much. The top is covered in a really nice Horween leather, which we've seen on pretty much all of Nomad's other products. The second thing that I found a little bit irksome was kind of identified on this little sticker here, and that basically says that you have to place your phone in a specific spot when it's lying down. And I just found that odd. When I have my phone lying down, I want to perfectly align it on the charger, but instead, because of the coil placement, you actually have to move it up ever so slightly. So here it won't work, but here it will. And it just bothered me a little bit that your phone has to be offset and you can't just line it up with the charger itself. It is a small thing, but it's something I've definitely noticed every time I set my phone down. Another thing that I would have liked to see is, since this is kind of marketed as a travel charger, and it works great that way, why isn't there no way to manage the cable? Nomad has some pretty awesome silicone cable ties on a lot of their actual cables, and if this is supposed to be with you on the road, why can you not just throw one of those on this cable and wrap it up that way? Instead, you have to ball it up and hold on to it any way you can as you toss it in your bag. I don't mean to sound harsh, because I absolutely love this charger. It charges really fast as you can on an iPhone, and it looks pretty amazing. But it just seems those small attention to detail things that I really would like to see improved on maybe a future version of this charger. If you want to pick one up, you can find it at the link below in the description.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.